Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you and I hope you will join me. This week I picked up some stylus pins. They had these out, so it's new to, well, not new to inventory, but this week it's new. They have the two set stylus pins. I picked up one with the gold and the blue pin. And then I picked up two of the one with the black and the silver pins. Those are good to have on hand. And then I picked up some puffy stickers. Now, these are, I'm sure, part of a collections I picked up before, but I missed out on them. So I picked up this one. This is a 10-piece set. And this one says, Love, Heart, Heart. Today I choose joy. But how cute is this one? And I only found one of these, so I picked that one up. And then I'll have to look in my supply box, but I think I picked this one up. But I did find one more, so I went ahead and picked it up. This is the nautical. Got the starfish, the sailboat, seahorse, lighthouse, and got that one. And then I found one of these. This has the like the paradise feel. I may have picked one up too, but I only found one more, so I went ahead and picked it up. And that says Aloha Forever. You get the pineapple. It's really cute. Oh, let's see. And then I also found this one. This is cute too. Now this is it has like the teas, the coffee cup, the coffee. I like this kettle. And it says enjoy, and then a coffee cup down here. I found three of these, so I picked up three of those. Oh, no, I didn't. Sorry. I picked up two. And it looks like I picked up two of the nautical ones. Okay. I'm happy with that. And then the last ones I picked up are these. This is 18 pieces. Look at these. Isn't that gorgeous? They're like embossed puffy stickers. They're so cute. They're like the bronze, silver, gold tinted. Kind of like that metal rub-on effect. Isn't that neat? I knew I was going to be using a lot of these, so I picked up 4 of these. So I'm quite happy to have this for my collection. And then I picked up a couple of cards. Look at this. How cute is this? Isn't that one adorable butterfly? A blessing is just what you need right now when you need it. Thank you so very much, it says. And it comes with a violet envelope. And I like this picture. I plan on using this picture right here. And how cute is that? Now, I might just go ahead and use the whole thing, but I want to cover this part up because, you know, I just want to use this portion of the card. Cute, right? And then the envelope I will reuse in another project. And then I also picked up this one, and this one I picked up the pink envelope. And look at that. How cute is that rose? So pretty. I'm waiting on my roses to grow. And then it's just blank inside, so it works really well for me. Again, I'm just going to use the top cover of the card. And then I found a couple of books that I wanted to read. Now, I've never watched this show, but it looks quite interesting. It's called Cursed, and apparently it is a series on Netflix. It's quite an interesting cover. And I read a little bit on the inside, so that's why I decided to pick it up. So it was $19.99 original price. And of course I only paid $1.25. See? The time for kings is over. The sword has chosen a queen. Quite an interesting story from what I read right here. So I'm looking forward to it. And this book is for like age 14 and up. And it does have illustrations in them. See there? Like that. So, yeah, I'm going to read this book and then I'll decide if I want to watch the series or not. And then also, let me show you the cover. Once I'm done reading, I want to keep the book. See there? Isn't that just great for like Halloween decoration? Fantastic. Oh, that's nice. I like that. So I'm going to add that to my bookshelf. And then the other one I picked up is this. I found this book to be quite interesting. Now, it's for children, as you can tell, but I think I can transfer it to adults. It says The Pirate's Log, a book for aspiring swashbucklers. Includes super secret light for night writing. Isn't that interesting? So yeah, it's like a cute little questionnaire journal information book, something like that. See, okay, let me see this one. Hold on. It's a wooden leg challenge. The other leg, the peg leg, is often made out of wood or metal or pegs or who knows what. It's hard to say without doing the proper research, which usually takes a lot of time, and it is very tiring. It's cute, right? And then it, like, see here, it asks you questions and then you fill that in. But how cute, right? Like, I mean, imagine what your little ones would answer, but then if you give it to a teenager, the answers would be completely different. And then if you give it to an adult, oh yeah, you know what I mean? The imaginations was just like going wild, I'm sure, by then. And then look at this. When you have completed everything, you get a certificate. Isn't that just cool? Yeah. So here is the pin. And I have already tested it in the store, but it wasn't coming on. So I'm not sure exactly. Oh, here we go. Look. Oh, it does come on. I was just doing it wrong. So how does it work? Oh, look at that. It bends. Ah, isn't that neat? Okay, hold on. So if you turn the page like this, oh, let me turn off this light. And then I guess you well, that's kind of the light died on me, so my show and tell is not going to work out too well. Okay, hold on. Oh, this light's out, so I'm sure we can replace the battery, but I don't see. Oh, here we go. See, look. So you're able to replace the battery without pulling this thing out. So it looks like it was glued in, so I will glue that back in, but yeah, the pin does not come out. It just stays attached. But that's interesting. Oh, here we go. Look, it works when it wants to. Oh, gosh. Oh, goodness. Alright, let me slide that back in there. So, when you press on the light there, it's supposed to come on. Okay, well, anyhow, and then I'll slide that back in there. But I found this to be like interesting, and I will probably put this on my table for like Halloween around that time frame, and then see who decides to fill it out. Now, if multiple people fill it out, imagine what the answers would be, right? Like if you do like a party and just set it on the table with a pin and let them have fun, right? I did find 2 of these and then I went ahead and picked up both of them. So, yeah, I will, I think I want to fill out the other one myself. Just to see what I will fill out. Oh, I like it. I used to watch, what's that, Snow White, Once Upon a Time. You know, I love Captain Hook. One of my favorite characters. I was thinking about him because look, he's standing right there. Captain Hook, quite a character on Once Upon a Time. So yeah, I'm happy I found this one, and I hope you guys find one too and have fun with it. I love going to Dollar Tree because you know some things the Dollar Tree carries all the time, and you're like, well, they carry it all the time, but you're always hopeful. Well, do they have it this week? Let me go see. Because I just need it, you know. And yeah, and the other times you find all kinds of new goodies, and you're like, oh wow, I need that one too. I have to have it in my life. But yeah, this is my haul for the week. And I hope I was able to show you something that you may want to pick up this week. And I hope that you find everything on your wish list. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.